First, let's create a new project. Go to Project View and click Create New Project. Name your project and select the PLC you are using. Under the Devices Networks tab, select Add New Device. We will add the PLC and then add a Siemens relay module if necessary. For this example, we will use a basic PLC setup. Next, under Program Blocks, we will create a new main OB13 block. This will hold the program for controlling the motor. Now, we will begin programming the ladder logic. The first rung of our ladder will include the start-stop button, an overload relay, and a limit switch, and motor call lock the motor call. Now, let's move to the second rung. In this rung, I am adding green LED. The LED will turn on whenever the motor is running, providing a visual feedback. For the third rung, we are going to add a red LED light that will turn on in case the motor fails or stops unexpectedly. Now, we are going to test our motor starter program. Let's move on to the simulation part. Click on the Simulation tab and select Create New Project. You can name it whatever you like Motor Starter Simulation. Once the simulation project is created, click on Simulate and load the tags we have created for the motor, LED, and other components. Once the simulation is running, click on the Start button and watch the motor start. The output LED should light up, and if there is an issue, the red LED will turn on. Test the Stop button and see how the motor and LEDs behave.